Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria's Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, today is another exciting day. We are still focusing on infusing herbs into carrier oils. So let's get into this video. But before we get into the video, you know I must say to my old subscribers, with no doubt, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to the new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Come on, let's get into this video. All right, so before we begin, today is Monday, so you know it's shout out, shout out, shout out Mondays. Shout out, shout out, shout out Mondays. And today, Monday shout out for subscriber go to Doreen Johnson. Yay! Thank you, Doreen Johnson, for being a loyal subscriber to Glennceria Loving Hands. We appreciate you so much being part of our family. All right, let's get to it. We are infusing lavender buds, organic lavender buds. Of course, the jar is already cleaned out, but you know me. Let's do it again, along with its top. 91% rubbing alcohol, okay? 91% rubbing alcohol. And look at that. Perfect, right? No spillage today. Yay! All right, here we go. Let's see how far. Maybe, oh, wow. Okay, not enough. Not enough. So I have some more here in this bag. And I'm just going to pour. I need a little bit more. Not enough for me. There we go. Okay, we'll stop right there. What do you think? Pretty good? Yeah, pretty good. Maybe a little more. Okay. And we are going to infuse this. You guess. Did you guess right? Extra virgin olive oil? Nope, we are going to infuse with avocado oil, okay? But before we start infusing with avocado oil, let's talk about some of the benefits of lavender. So lavender is an antidepressant. You know that, it makes you feel better. It helps with insomnia. It also helps with migraines. That's your headaches. It's an antibacterial, okay? And it's an excellent treatment for acne. And that's just a few benefits. And of course, it soothes aches and pains as well. So I have here my avocado oil. So let's get to it, okay? We're gonna pour it in. I don't need my funnel for that. Take our time, and we're going to pour in. We're going to leave a little space. And I can always come back and top it. We're going to stir those air bubbles out of here too. Okay? Quote of today is, make great things happen. Quote of today, make great things happen. Today is Monday. Shout out Monday. Once again, to Doreen Johnson, thank you so much for being a loyal subscriber. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is leave a comment down on this video that you are a subscriber, or go to my Instagram, GlennceriaLovin, and let me know there that you are a subscriber to Glenceria Loving Hands on YouTube, okay? We're gonna add a little bit more avocado oil in this, okay? And then we have to think about, what are we going to make with this? Looks good, doesn't it? Absolutely. All right, one more stir. Okay. All right, so here we go. Just a quick video. We're done. We're going to infuse this for 6 weeks. We're going to come back and probably make some body butter with this or something. Or maybe another salve. Okay, have a great day. Love you, love you, love you much. Mwah! From Glennceria Loving Hands. I see you in the next video, okay? Have a great day. Bye for now.